Good morning, everybody, and welcome to an update on Invest 92L. So Invest 92L now has an 80% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours and a 90% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days. As of 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, June 18th, 2023, showers and thunderstorms continue to show signs of organization in association with a tropical wave located several hundred miles southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. Environmental conditions appear conducive for additional development, and a tropical depression is likely to form over the next day or two. This system is expected to move westward at 15 to 20 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic through the middle part of the week. So, if you are in Barbados, if you are in areas like St. Kitts and Nevis, Guadeloupe, Dominica, and the Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico, and all through the Windward Islands, even Trinidad and Tobago, you need to be watching Invest 92L very closely, as we now have a near certainty that we're going to see at least a tropical storm from Invest 92L. So looking at the latest models, looking at the GFS model, the GFS model is developing a tropical depression as early as Monday morning around 3 a.m. in the main development region, and going through Monday afternoon into Tuesday, we could see Invest 92L develop into a tropical storm as early as Tuesday morning with a pressure of 1,000 millibars, probably around 40-mile-an-hour winds. And then as we go through Wednesday, this system is expected to strengthen slowly across the main development region. Going into Thursday, we could be seeing a strong tropical storm in the main development region east of the Windward Islands. And then going into Friday, the GFS model shows a potential of a hurricane, Category 1 hurricane, about 500 miles east of the Windward Islands. And thankfully, this run of the GFS curves Invest 92L as a hurricane to the north and northeast of the islands by Friday and Saturday. But looking at another model, the European model, as I'm about to show you, shows this potential hurricane going into the Windward Island chain. So let's take a look at the European model to show what this model is showing. And looking at the 0Z run, as this goes farther out, we see tropical depression development by Monday, Tuesday across the main development region. And then as we go into Wednesday, we see 92L becoming a tropical storm east of the Windward Islands with 40-mile-an-hour winds. And then as we go towards Wednesday, this is when Invest 92L starts to become a strong tropical storm. And as you can see, by Thursday, the European model has Invest 92L probably around 70-mile-per-hour winds with 988 millibar central pressure, moving straight for the Windward Islands. And then as we go into Thursday afternoon, we could see Invest 92L approaching the Windward Islands as a strong tropical storm. And then the European model wants to make a landfall sometime Friday and Saturday across the central to northeastern Windward Islands. So, and then move it across the northeast Windward Islands from Guadeloupe through Anguilla, through St. Kitts and Nevis, and through the Virgin Islands and even Puerto Rico by Saturday and Sunday, though it does weaken the system as it moves towards Puerto Rico. So I'm going to continue to monitor Invest 92L very closely, as we now have the likelihood of a tropical storm at least, and potentially a hurricane moving towards the Windward Islands by the Friday-Saturday time frame. So if you're in the Windward Islands, you need to be watching Invest 92L very closely. Thanks for watching this morning's tropical update. Stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.